Welcome back to the canary shed. Let's take a walk around my shed with my cages. This little coming here is my breeding stock in cage number 3. I've got 5 eggs, 4 fertile. In cage number 4, a red dimorphic pair. Just made a nest, starting to make the nest there now. Cage number 5, I've got a yellow dimorphic pair that's sitting on 5 eggs, 4 fertile. So we'll come back along the shed. Cage number 6 at the top there is sitting on 4 eggs. They're just starting to sit nice and tight. There's my cockbird. The stunning hen bird up there. As we're going into cage number 7, which is the red dimorphic pair, as you can see here. Sitting on 2 eggs. As we're going into cage number 8, you can see them feeding there, look. One and all, the cockbird, also the hen bird. I've just given some egg food this morning with the seed, cleaned out, freshly cleaned out, with a brand new bit of paper as the bedding, freshly watered and scrubbed out, freshly cleaned with a bottle brush. But yeah, it's all going to plan this year. Nature's taking its course. In cage number 9, it's made a nest there this past couple of days. Cage number 10 is sitting on 4 eggs. As we go back along the shed there, cage number 11 at the bottom has just started to make the nest, which is the red dimorphic pair. As we come back along here, cage number 12 has made the nest. Cage number 13 is sitting on 4 eggs. Cage number 14, the yellow dimorphic pair, is sitting on 4 eggs. But yeah, they're starting to been freshly cleaned out this morning. But yeah, look, stunning. Cockbird sitting on the nest, which is a good sign. So come up here to cage 5. Great pair here as well. There's another yellow pair. As I stand back to show you my cockbird up here. Give them like a double breeding cage. I've got her on the side there, my mule pair, and she's sitting on 2 eggs. So as I stand back, out my 6 pairs of yellows, I've got 1 pair at the bottom, sitting. Another pair is sitting. Another pair sitting, and there's a great pair up there as well, and they're also sitting. So out of 6 pairs, with my 6 pairs of yellows, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs that are actually sitting on eggs. Clutch of 4s, some are clutch of 5s. Yeah, and I've got also the cock goldfinch with the hen, which I let the divider out, take the divider out on an evening just to give her a break to sit on her egg, or maybe to lay an egg, because goldfinches have got a tendency to pop or to put holes, puncture holes in the egg and actually kill the eggs. So that's why I like to put the divider in, pull the divider out through the day, put the nest pan on the outside and put a dummy egg in, 2 dummy eggs, and then obviously on an evening put the 2 eggs back in, put the divider back in, and also the hen can sit back down on the nest. But yeah, it's all come to plan now. Like I say, I've got over 24 eggs maybe it's a bit more, 24 eggs. And that's my first clutch down. In the red pairs that are sitting on eggs, out of the 6 pair, I think they're like a week behind maybe. Out of the 6 pairs, I've got 2 pairs, as you can see there, 1 there, and the hen there. Cage 3 and cage 7 are sitting on 5. Cage 7 is sitting on 2. But my yellows have all potential. They're all giving us 5 eggs and 4 eggs. But yeah, through here is the shed. I think I'll have to give it another coat of paint. Then I can put my floor down. I didn't want to put my floor down because when I put the 84 board down, I want to put an edge around and obviously have it solid. I don't want to paint my floor with it being matte. Obviously the bucket of paint's there for the last coat, as you can see inside. It's just going to take another coat. That there is obviously a bit of plastic that I'm going to put on the front, make like an L and put an L there so I can slide the full front off so my flight can have a bit of shelter from the wind, rain, etc. Obviously in the summer I'll put like a little L bit of wood, like an L bracket. This is what only way I can explain, but like a 3x2, nail it like an L, so literally it's like that. And then I can put a little handle on the side of the bit of plastic, slide it out. But yeah, it's all looking great. I just need to put a bit of mesh around my light bulb and tack it to the side. But yeah, I just need to paint it 1 more coat and I think that's it. Nice flight for the coming year. But as you can see, they're all in condition. They're all wanting to sing. I've got 5 pairs of yellows that are all on 4 eggs and 3 eggs, etc. But yeah, it's all coming down, as you can see. They've all got bits of nest material in the mouths, in their beaks I should say. But they're all wanting to, as you well know yourself, nature takes its course. A bird will tell you can't rush a bird. But my yellows are all starting to sit nice and tight. So that's 1 there. Got also another one here. Another 1 there. Another pair there. Another pair there. So yeah, it's all going great. As you can see, I don't want to explain the chlorophyll red. What I like to do is give just that little extra. They've just finished their mould, they're starting to breed, so obviously the red water will go into the bloodstreams, and also the chicks will come out a little red, and it's just that little bit extra redness in your red dimorphic. But yeah, there's some great birds here. The colour doesn't justify the bird, but the bottle like a bottle of tomato ketchup, I can only explain of like, that's the colour. So like there's red, if you understand. It's like, you can't get no redder than what it tells you to do on the actual bottle, you know. But thank you once again to my subscribers. I'll keep you all posted. Thanks again. Thank you. Smash that like button. Thanks and goodbye.